Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are picking the winner for the first giveaway. So I put all of your guys' name, including the extra entries for those of you who shared my story. So there we go, all the names are in. I cleaned it up so there's no comments, just names. And I'm gonna pick a random winner. There's going to be a certificate posted as always. So here we go. Oh my gosh! Okay. LALYG7. Lally G7. Yeah, so there we go. There is the winner. Congratulations. I am so excited for you. So as always, I will post everything, including the authentication underneath the video. And let's go ahead and move on to the plan with me. Oh, by the way, this is the winner for the first giveaway. So this is the horizontal planner. Okay, and now it's time for a quick plan with me. And I am doing this in my journal. So it is a horizontal planner. So I thought it was only fitting to put the winner on this video. And I am using the Flower Power Mega sticker book. I am so excited. As you guys probably saw in the last video, I've been itching, like literally itching to use this. I am so excited. So here we go. I am going to go ahead and put all of this into my planner. So here we go. I am going to start with, I think I'm just gonna use possibly these are so pretty and I really like them. So, and it is for the week of December 14th through the 21st, and this is in my sugar and type planner, which this is actually the last couple of weeks and this planner will be over. I'm kind of sad and nostalgic, but at the same time, it's kind of excited that I was able to finish an 18-month planner and I used it every single day for 18 months. It's pretty insane to think about, right? Well, that's what happened. And if you're here for the first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here as a subscriber. And if you are here and already subscribed, thank you so much. I'm truly so appreciative of you guys. Don't forget that the second giveaway is going and it will end on the 20th, so the Sunday that I'm planning for. And that one is the Stephanie's favorite, so that's another awesome giveaway. Okay, so now that I made my own little box to cover that peach, I can go ahead and start using some florals. And these are large and beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, well, did you see that? The sticker just went on by itself, so I'm just gonna leave it. I am going to lift it up just a bit to get the black line out. And after I'm done with that, I'm just gonna lay it down. But these are so beautiful and vibrant and big, and I love big florals like this. I love any florals. If you guys know me, you already know I'm a floral freak. I love them. There's nothing else I can say except that. There's no excuses. Okay, and now it's time to put some other flowers down. And like I said, this will be a very quick plan with me. I'm cutting some stickers out because why would I use what Happy Cake Planner gave me? I gotta change it to make it my own, right? At least that's how I feel. Oh, look at this. This is a whole thing. So I'm gonna take my scissors and cut this in half. And then make like my own little arrangement. So some more white pen. This is the Sigya Uni-Ball or Signa Uni-Ball. It is so awesome. Let me take that top off. But the pen is so awesome. I was using the Jelly Rolls, but I can't even compare those really to how awesome this is. Okay. So now another flower, and I think these are so beautiful. And I know it's not very Christmas-like, but I needed something different in my life just for a bit. I'll be doing more Christmas spreads next week, including in this planner, and I think I just needed a tiny little break. So I used these beautiful, beautiful florals. And like I said, I needed to use that book. I felt like I need to use that book. Okay, so that's what that's looking like. I'm gonna add just tiny little touches here and there. Look at that. Okay, and a little leaf just to make it look a little bit different. And I can add a couple flowers here and there. Look how cute that is. There we go. That was super, super quick. And I do want to take that extra foil off that rose because it is making it a little bit like frosty. So look at that, beautiful. And now my horizontal is ready, practically ready to be written in. Okay. Couple more, because never enough flowers, right? Okay. I think I am adding a couple more because how could you not? This book is full of florals. I'll never run out. And I have so many floral books. I shall never run out of florals ever again. And I should never worry about that. So if I want to use florals, I should. And I know this is kind of like a self-pep talk here. Okay, this is it. This is going to be my next week in my planner. Again, thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to Lali. And I'll see you guys for another plan with me very soon. Bye! Actually, I'm gonna add just a little bit more touch in the notes section, as I'm not using that note section very much. So as I was closing it, I decided I think that'll be a lot of fun to do that, and especially that note section is practically never used. Okay, now I'm done for real. Thank you for watching. Have a great week. See you soon. Bye!